Hi guys, welcome to Tax Q&A, your go-to resource for all things tax-related. Whether you're an individual looking to understand your tax obligations or a business owner trying to navigate the complexities of the tax world, we're here to help. In each video, we break down tax topics into easy-to-understand explanations, offering practical tips and expert insights. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's dive into today's tax question. IRS Free File Program. The IRS Free File Program is a government initiative that makes tax filing more accessible and cost-effective for American taxpayers. It provides a no-cost option for individuals and families to prepare and file their federal tax returns electronically. By leveraging user-friendly software, taxpayers can navigate through tax regulations without needing expert assistance. This streamlined approach saves time and minimizes errors that could lead to audits or penalties. Additionally, the IRS Free File Program offers significant cost savings, allowing eligible individuals to allocate funds elsewhere. This democratization of tax resources helps level the playing field for many Americans. By providing free, easy-to-use resources, the IRS encourages timely and accurate filings. This mutual benefit underscores the importance of the program in the broader fiscal landscape. To participate in the IRS Free File Program for the 2025 tax season, taxpayers must meet certain eligibility requirements. This program is designed to make tax filing more accessible and affordable for millions of Americans. The primary criterion is the Adjusted Gross Income, or AGI limit, set at $84,000 or less for the 2025 tax year. This means that if your AGI is within this limit, you qualify to use the Free File Program. This threshold targets those who benefit most from cost-free tax filing services, particularly lower and middle-income earners. It aims to alleviate the financial burden of tax preparation for those who need it the most. The IRS Free File Program helps taxpayers access valuable tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Child Tax Credit. These credits can make a significant difference in a taxpayer's financial situation. These credits can significantly reduce taxable income and increase refunds. For many families, this can mean more money in their pockets to cover essential expenses. The program does not impose age restrictions, making it inclusive for a wide demographic of taxpayers. Whether you are a young adult filing taxes for the first time or a senior citizen, you can benefit from this program. While the Free File Program covers federal tax filings, individual states may have additional requirements or separate free filing programs. It's important to be aware of these state-specific provisions. Taxpayers are encouraged to check with their state tax agency to understand any specific provisions or exclusions. This ensures that you are fully compliant with both federal and state tax laws. Each of these providers has been carefully vetted to ensure they meet the high standards set by the IRS. The IRS Free File Program collaborates with private sector companies to offer free guided tax preparation software. This initiative aims to make tax filing accessible and straightforward for millions of Americans. For the 2025 tax season, there are several participating providers, each offering unique features to cater to diverse taxpayer needs. These providers include 1040, now 1040.com, istaxreturn.com, fileyourtaxes.com, online, Taxes, TaxAct, FreeTax USA, TaxHawk, and TaxSlayer. Each software provider offers a user-friendly platform with step-by-step instructions. These platforms are designed to guide users through the tax filing process with ease. This assistance is crucial in preventing common filing errors and enhancing overall filing accuracy. By reducing mistakes, taxpayers can avoid potential penalties and ensure their returns are processed smoothly. The software providers also offer various levels of support, including customer service via phone or online chat. This support is available to help users with any questions or issues they may encounter during the filing process. By providing real-time assistance, these companies help ensure that taxpayers can complete their filings without undue stress or delay. This real-time support is especially beneficial during peak filing times. These providers continuously update their platforms to comply with the latest tax laws and regulations. This ensures that users are always working with the most current information, helping them to file accurate and compliant returns. The IRS Free File program offers a Spanish language option through istaxreturn.com. This feature is valuable for Spanish-speaking individuals who may find tax terminology challenging in English. Users can navigate the tax filing process in their native language, ensuring comprehension and accuracy. This inclusivity fosters a more equitable tax filing environment for non-English speakers. Accurate tax filing is crucial, as errors can lead to audits or delayed refunds. By offering a linguistically tailored solution, the Free File program aims to reduce these risks for Spanish-speaking taxpayers. This approach enhances overall compliance and satisfaction with the tax filing process. Fill out the forms, review your entries for accuracy, and e-file your return directly with the IRS. Select the federal tax forms and schedules needed for your return. You can also perform calculations directly on the forms. Set up a free account to begin working on your tax return. An email address is required, allows e-filing without intermediaries, available to anyone with internet access, free to use for all income levels. Create an account, visit the IRS Free Fillable Forms page during the tax season. The IRS Free File program for the 2025 tax season opens on January 10, 2025. This early start date allows taxpayers ample time to prepare and submit their federal tax returns well before the filing deadline. For those with an AGI above $84,000, the IRS offers free file fillable forms starting January 27, 2025. These forms allow for electronic filing, expediting the processing of returns. The free file fillable forms are intended for individuals who have a thorough understanding of tax law. The availability of fillable forms expands the program's utility to a broader audience. The extended availability of these forms, including the direct file option until October 15, 2025, provides flexibility for taxpayers. Search for programs similar to the IRS Free File program that cater to state tax filings. Some states partner with tax software providers or offer their own free e-filing services. Example, California Free File or New York State e-file. Start by visiting your state's Department of Revenue, Taxation, or equivalent agency's website. Most state tax agencies have a dedicated section for free filing options, often called Free File or e-file. Look for free filing programs. Visit your state tax agency website. The IRS continues to offer the direct file option, broadening access to free federal tax filing services. This option allows approximately 30 million Americans in 24 states to file their federal taxes online for free. The direct file option accommodates a wider array of income types and tax credits. This includes support for various credits and deductions, ensuring taxpayers can maximize their refunds. State tax returns must be filed separately, so check state tax agencies for free filing options. The direct file option underscores the IRS's commitment to accessibility and modernization. By offering a robust digital platform, the IRS streamlines the filing process and improves data accuracy. To utilize the official IRS Free File program, start by visiting irs.gov/freefile. This portal ensures users are not redirected to paid services on partner websites. Navigating from irs.gov/freefile helps taxpayers find the software provider that best fits their needs. By starting at the official site, users can be confident in the security and authenticity of the service. Once on the IRS Free File page, taxpayers can explore the various software options available. Each provider offers distinct features, so review the offerings carefully before making a selection. The IRS website provides detailed comparisons and eligibility checks, streamlining the decision-making process. Using irs.gov as the entry point ensures access to the latest program updates and guidelines. In addition to the IRS Free File program, taxpayers have access to several other free tax filing options. These options are designed to make tax filing more accessible and less stressful for everyone, regardless of their financial situation or tax knowledge. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, VITA, and Tax Counseling for the Elderly, TCE programs are two such alternatives. These programs are especially beneficial for those who may need extra help navigating the complexities of tax filing. VITA provides free tax help to people who earn $60,000 or less. This program is a lifeline for many low-income individuals and families who might otherwise struggle to afford professional tax services. VITA also assists persons with disabilities and limited English-speaking taxpayers. This ensures that language barriers and physical challenges do not prevent anyone from receiving the tax help they need. TCE focuses on individuals aged 60 and older, offering specialized guidance on retirement-related issues. This program helps seniors navigate the unique tax situations that come with retirement. The AARP Foundation Tax Aid Program serves low to moderate income individuals aged 50 and older. This service is invaluable for older adults who need assistance with their tax returns. My Free Taxes and Get Your Refund are online platforms offering free tax filing services. These platforms provide a convenient way to file taxes from the comfort of your own home. My Free Taxes is available to taxpayers with an AGI of $73,000 or less. This online service is perfect for those who prefer to handle their taxes independently, but still want the assurance of a free, reliable tool. These options, alongside IRS Free File, offer a comprehensive suite of services to meet diverse filing needs. Whether you need in-person assistance or prefer to file online, there is a free tax filing option available to suit your needs. Navigating the IRS Free File program is straightforward with a systematic approach. Step 1. Visit irs.gov/freefile to access the official entry point. Step 2. Choose a software provider that aligns with your filing needs. Step 3. Create an account with your chosen software provider. Step 4. Enter your information using the software's guided prompts. Step 5. Review and submit your tax return electronically to the IRS. This step-by-step guide ensures accuracy and efficiency in filing federal tax returns. By following these steps, taxpayers can enjoy a seamless and effective tax filing experience. Electronic filing through the IRS Free File program offers numerous advantages. One of the most compelling benefits is the speed with which tax returns are processed. E-filing often results in faster refunds compared to paper filings. The software used in the Free File program increases accuracy by catching common errors. Convenience is also a hallmark of electronic filing, allowing taxpayers to complete returns from home. The IRS Free File program employs advanced encryption techniques to protect taxpayer data. This commitment to security ensures that personal and financial information remains confidential. Electronic filing enhances the overall tax filing process with speed, accuracy, and security. Taxpayers may have questions or concerns regarding the IRS Free File service. One common question is whether users can upgrade to a paid version of the software if additional services are needed. The answer is no. The service remains entirely free for eligible taxpayers. Security of personal information is another common concern. The IRS Free File program utilizes secure technology, including encryption, to protect taxpayer data. Many participating software providers offer customer support through phone or online chat. This support can be invaluable in addressing specific questions or issues during the filing process. The IRS ensures that all platforms are updated to reflect current tax laws and regulations. By starting the process as soon as the program opens on January 10, 2025, taxpayers can avoid the last-minute rush. Filing early often leads to faster refunds, as the IRS processes returns on a first-come, first-served basis. Early filing allows more time to address any potential issues or errors. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of IRS notices or audits. The IRS Free File program is a valuable resource for efficient, cost-effective tax filing. By filing early, you can ensure a smooth tax season and make the most of the program's benefits. Visit irs.gov/freefile today to get started and enjoy a hassle-free tax filing experience. Stay informed, stay prepared, and let's make taxes less taxing together. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please share your views with us. If you have a tax question you would like that to be answered, please post your question in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit. And as always, consult a tax professional for personalized advice.